Jokanya sekta mar somo manende kaunti ma Kisumu kotelnegi kanyendo kod apisa maduong' mochung' kanyo weche mag somo e kaunti no mano kanyo migosi Bovins Ochieng' wajiwo jonyuol kod kuonde somo mag jopuonjre matindo kata ECDE mondo ket maino margi e yango kanyo eko were man tindo go ni godo mondo ne kaka inyalo tegogi ka gi kata ka gitindo mar tiegogi kaka yorno endo mar neno kanyo eko ni gibedo kod mise e nyiso were margi motegno mar konyogi e ngimagi makinye. Ka bende ne gikwayo jonyuol mondo ne kanyo eko ni koro chako nyiso nyithindgi mondo ti kod lony manyasani mano mar AI kaka yorno endo mar konyogi e bedo kod paro maliw kod ng'eyo kanyo eko gigo madwarore e piny masani niendi.
Learning and development starts way back before a child joined primary school. And of course, these opportunities that we create help the child to be able to build their confidence, their creativity, their innovativeness, and they're able to question and critique a number of things. And as a result, they are able to and communicate effectively. And therefore, what we are doing today is nurturing raw talents at the formative stage, which is very critical and fundamental. Therefore, we want to just encourage all partners and parents, including development partners, that we need to actually work this out together, because we need to collaborate. As a community, we need to collaborate with the different partners so that we are able to build a society that is able to probably think and critique and be able to ask a number of things.
This creative activity started way back in 2015, and we've always tried to have a theme, different theme, and a nurturing care component. And this financial year, our theme is opportunity for early learning. We are giving these learners opportunity for early learning, and it's not only the ECD learners, but even learners below the age of 3 years. The reason why we are doing this, we want to ensure that when they develop holistically. So today we are here to ensure that the community member, the county government, the executive, and all partners who are so much interested to come and see what children are showcasing, to come and see what the teachers have done to mold these children, to ensure that these children now can reach this time whereby they can have different activity and showcase different things that they do in classroom, and now they are reflecting it through the activities that they are doing.